Elliot is looking for these letter sounds. Dig for the letters. Ah, great job! Congratulations! Congratulations! Ah, t. Now place the letters. T, t, ah, ah. Ah, t. Mat. Ah, t. You made the word mat. Elliot is Uh-oh! Lisa's things have fallen into the sea. Let's help her get them. Tap the flute. Congratulations! Tap the violin. Yay, you caught it! Tap the guitar. That's not... Congratulations! Tap the piano. Oops, we don't... Very good! Tap the drums. Yay, you caught it! Great job! You helped Lisa to choose the right instruments.